Ever pondered the secret to those homes that just seem to radiate life, warmth, and tranquility? Could it be the furniture, the color palette, or could it possibly be the houseplants? Ah, yes, houseplants, nature's very own decor, playing a pivotal role in transforming a house into a home. So you ask, how does one use houseplants to decorate a home? Well, prepare to embark on a brief journey that will equip you with the knowledge and skills to turn your home into a green oasis. Step 1. Understand the space. Every room in your home has its unique characteristics. Some rooms get a lot of sunlight, others not so much. Some have ample space, others are more compact. Knowing your space is the key to choosing the right houseplants. Step 2. Select the right plants. For sunlit rooms, succulents or cacti are perfect. They thrive in bright light and add a unique touch to your decor. For rooms with less light, consider shade-loving plants like the snake plant or the ZZ plant. These not only purify the air, but also add a touch of green to any corner. Step 3. Play with heights. Use plant stands or hang plants from the ceiling to create a dynamic visual landscape. This adds depth and interest to your decor and allows you to showcase your plants in an eye-catching way. Step 4. Consider color and texture. Plants aren't just green. There's a whole spectrum of houseplants with different leaf colors and textures, from the silver hues of the Chinese evergreen to the velvety touch of the purple passion plant. Variety is the spice of life. Step 5. Don't forget the pots. The pots you choose are as important as the plants themselves. They can complement your decor or provide a striking contrast. From rustic terracotta to modern ceramic, the options are endless. The journey of decorating your home with plants is truly a rewarding one. It's not just about sprucing up your space, but also about creating a healthier and more tranquil environment to live in. To recap, understanding your space and selecting the right plants are the first steps. Then, playing with heights and considering color and texture will add that extra touch. Finally, choosing the right pots will pull it all together. Remember, there's no right or wrong when it comes to decorating with houseplants. It's all about creating a space that's uniquely you. So why wait? Start your journey today and transform your home one plant at a time.